This is the aftermath. This flooded last night during a storm. It washed all my dirt out. All this was underwater. But one benefit of planting deep, it actually held. All this would have been washed away. All this was completely underwater. It pushed through this fence. I'm gonna have to put a drain here. Washed all my boards. All right, YouTube, what we got? All the debris out of the beds. Sun is coming out. But let me show you something that I seen. Washed all of that out. Now I was starting another garden bed over here, raised bed. Now in this spot right here, you see this pile right here with cardboard and mulch? It was right there. The water was so much water and so much pressure, it lifted this mulch up and slid it over, and all the water was coming from down this hill. All right, Nature None and the family signing out.